Assertion: chlorobenzene is more reactive than parachloroanisole to nucleophilic substitution reaction, and the reason given is greater the stability of carbanion, greater is its ease of formation, and hence more reactive is aryl halide. So let us see the assertion first. What is chlorobenzene? So this is chlorobenzene. And what is parachloroanisole? This is OCH3 is anisole, and in the para position you have chlorine, so it is parachloroanisole. Now here when comparing the carbanion, so what happens in the nucleophilic? So this is resonance stabilized. So what happens? There will be delocalization of pi electron, and this nucleophile will attack this site. The nucleophile, let us take a OH is a nucleophile. So this will attack this site. Then here the formation of anion. This is carbanion. This is carbanion. In the Cl, this OCH3 is electron donating. When there is a nucleophile attack, so what is the structure we will be getting? Here is a nucleophile and here it is Cl. This nucleophile may be some OH. Now this is a carbanion. So when comparing the carbanion of chlorobenzene and carbanion of parachloroanisole, this intensity of carbanion, intensity of this negative charge increases because of the electron donating behavior of this OCH3. If the electron intensity increases, delocalization of pi electrons decreases. So this destabilizes the ring. If destabilizes the ring, then attack of nucleophile is less when compared to chlorobenzene. So the reason given is greater the stability of carbanion, greater is its ease of formation, and hence more reactive is aryl halide. See, the carbanion is more stabilized by resonance. Here also we have carbanion, but it is less stabilized because there is the intensity of the negative charge increases, so the delocalization of electron, that is delocalization of electron, will decreases. Here due to the less resonance, the stability of carbanion will be decreased. Here the stability of carbanion will be in more. So comparing the chlorobenzene and or parachloroanisole, the more reactive is aryl halide. Here the assertion is given is correct and the reason given is also correct, and the reason given is a correct explanation for the assertion. So the option is A. Here you have to compare carbanion. See, in this case the carbanion is more stabilized by resonance. In this case carbanion is less stabilized because OCH3 is electron donating. It gives the electron towards the ring. The intensity of the negative charge increases so that the delocalization of pi electron will decreases and the carbanion is less stabilized. The option is A.